Hey guys, welcome to Plutomania Tech. If this is your first time here, please like and subscribe. My name is Davis and I'm your guide in making the money online. Okay, so now I have exciting news for those of you in Nigeria. There is a way for you to be able to make at least 1,000 naira every single day under 30 minutes, depending on your speed. And you may say this is small money, but any money is money, right? And if you times 1,000 naira times 30 days, that is like 30K. 30,000 naira every month. That is like someone's salary, and you can do this under 30 minutes. So now, the website we're going to be using today is Nairaworkers, and there is a link at the description of this video for you to be able to get this site. So just go there and you find it after watching this video. So now this site is a new site that just came out, and basically what the site is about is that they pay you to perform tasks. Also, you can give tasks. Maybe you want some people to subscribe to your channel. You just set an amount of money. And those of you who are familiar with Pico workers, it's kind of like Pico workers, but this is for Nigerians. So they pay you to complete tasks, and it's legit. They pay. When they say they pay. I'm confident this 100% legit, so you guys can trust this platform. So once you click on the link at the description of this video, it will take you to this registration platform. What you need to do is just fill in your first name. Let me just use John. Last name Kim. Username John Kim. Yes, I'm male. Email Johnny. And my password, let me use John Kim. As you can see, creating multiple accounts is highly prohibited. So just one account per person, and they can actually catch you when they want to pay you. So I think there's something wrong with my password. Let me just use 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. And this is not my real account. This is just like a trial account I'm just using to explain this video to you guys. So let's sign up and let's see. Okay, so they have sent me a confirmation mail, so I need to go to my email to get that code. So let me just go straight to my email. Where's my email? Yeah, Gmail. Okay, yeah, code is here already. So yeah, this is the code here. 4293. 4293. I'll click on activate my account and done. Success. So the next thing I'll click is enter dashboard. Just click on that. Okay, welcome. And now what they do is that you can hire random workers to work for you if you need to improve maybe you need to get a job done. You can actually put in an amount of money and hire workers to work for you to get paid. But we're not focusing on that. We're focusing on performing simple and small tasks, and we get paid for it. That's simple. So let's click on this. Once you enter the site, just click on perform simple small tasks. And now it will show you your available jobs. See, just to sign up for Piggyverse, they're not even asking you to invest. Sign up for Piggyverse and they pay you 17 naira. Blog registration, they pay you 24 naira. Palm Pay, 45 naira. No. YouTube subscribe, 14 naira. And Bitcoin Black airdrop just to sign up 7 naira. And you may think this is actually small money, but I complete all these tasks sometimes a day in under 30 minutes. I'm that fast, and I get my money. Sometimes I make more than 1,000 naira a day, and there's always jobs, so you can keep on checking. See, they even wrote always check back for more jobs, so you can keep on checking. There is always jobs. You can make as much. Once you just have a spare time, you're not doing anything, you're less busy, just open the site, just complete tax, easy tax, just click on the tax, do it, and they'll verify it. So let's see, view this job, just what is expected for you. Just register your BVN, screenshot it and put your proof here, submit proof, and you get paid. It's that simple, and you make your money. So it's that simple for you to make money online with Nairaworkers. It's a very legit platform. They pay, so you guys can trust it. So I hope you guys this video helped. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, comment. God bless you all.